Hi. Welcome back. In today's class, we will be learning how to craft milestones that matter. Why milestones are critical. A vision without milestones feels like chasing a cloud, inspiring but unreachable. Milestones are the bridges between where you are now and the future you want. They act like checkpoints on a long journey. They prevent overwhelm by breaking down large timelines into achievable phases. They create momentum. Every milestone you hit strengthens your belief that the vision is possible. The milestone principle. Think big. Break small. Build forward. Vision, the 5-year, or 10-year, big picture. Milestones, yearly and quarterly checkpoints that turn time into progress markers. Goals and habits, smaller targets and routines that push you toward each milestone. Framework for crafting milestones that matter. Step 1. Start with the end in mind, your 5-year vision. Write your 5-year vision clearly in one sentence. Example: in 5 years, I want to own a thriving wellness brand that impacts 1 million people globally. Step 2. Reverse engineer yearly milestones. Ask, what must be true each year for my 5-year vision to come alive? Work backward from year 5 to year 1. Step 3. Break each year into 4 quarterly milestones. Each quarter equals a focused project or achievement that builds on the previous one. Step 4. Set SMART milestones. Specific, clear outcomes, not vague ideas. Measurable, numbers, dates, results. Achievable, realistic but slightly challenging. Relevant, aligned with your vision. Time-bound, with a deadline. Now do your milestone mapping and ask yourself, does each milestone directly contribute to my 5-year vision? Are my milestones ambitious enough to excite me, but realistic enough to achieve? Which quarterly milestone feels most intimidating, and why? If I hit these year 1 milestones, how close will I be to my dream life? Thank you for listening. See you in the next lesson.